अपश्यन् इति होवाच मयान्विष्टमिदं जगत् भ्रातिहा मे गतो नूनाम् यतो नावर्तते पुमान्. Unable to see him, Hiranyakashipu said, I have searched the entire universe, but I could not find Vishnu who has killed my brother. Therefore, he must certainly have gone to that place from which no one returned. In other words, he must now be dead. This is the work of Saraswati. Saraswati always does things in such a way that even though they want to speak reverse, they speak glorification of the Lord. सरस्वती क्या माँ का ऐसा दिमाग चलता है, जब दानव लोग भगवान के लिए कुछ अगेंस्ट बोलना चाहते हैं वो ऐसा करती है कि उनके मुंह से ठीक ही निकलता है, उसका दो शब्द आ जाता है. तो अब उसने बोला है विष्णु मस्ट हैव गॉन टू द प्लेस जिससे कोई वापस नहीं आता है, तो वो तो सोच रहा मर गया, लेकिन उसका दूसरा मतलब क्या है, वैकुंठ धाम चले गए भगवान. ठीक है, तो हमेशा इट इज डन इन दैट वे. So we are all trying. In fact, Abrahma bhuvna loka punaravartunu arjuna yadgatva na nivartante tadhama paramama. So we are going throughout the universe. We are searching for so many things. But the real thing to be searched in the universe we are all searching for sense gratification in the universe, but there is no satisfaction. And there is an explanation in the Bhagavatam. There was the king whose name was Prachina Barishat. His son Pracheta was delivered by Narada. वाक्य सुना, पुरंजना का स्टोरी है भागवत में, बहुत बड़ा स्टोरी है. So the voice, I hope the voice is better now. So Prachina Barishat was a very big king, very nice king. His sons, he sent the sons, do some tapasya and come back. And here the king was doing lot of punya karma, lot of yagnas, homas, and he was offering bali of animals. So at that moment, he did not, Narada came to deliver him. And Narada told the story of Puranjana. And he says the Puranjana is traveling throughout the universe but is never satisfied. That's our problem. Whatever we do materially, we are never satisfied. And we go for some temporary facility. Suppose you want to go to America, some temporary facility we look for and we go. But just imagine if there is a place, there is no birth, there is no death, there is no disease, there is no old age, how much quickly we should buy the ticket and go. Okay, we should be very eager. And this eagerness to be with the Lord, to eagerness to get association of the Lord, cannot come when we are distracted. Therefore, Vedavyasa says, unnecessarily people are suffering in this world. Unnecessarily. Bhakti yogena manasi samyak pranahite amale apashat purusham purna maya tatapashayam. He says, when Vedavyasa sat down in meditation, he said, in devotion, when I can think about it, apashat purusham purnam. Vedavyasa could see the Supreme Personality God of Maya under his control. And then he could see that actually there is no need for people to suffer. Unnecessarily they are suffering. And then he therefore compiled the Sattvata Samhita, he compiled the Bhagavatam literature. But the exact verse? He composed the Bhagavata Samhita, Chakre Sattvata Samhita. He is seeing that there is no need for people to suffer, but I can save them from this if I can give them the Bhagavata literature. So it is for us now. वेदव्यास जी ने भागवतम छोड़ा है आपको, बेमतलब में तड़प रहे हो, उसको पढ़ोगे वैकुंठ धाम जा सकते हो, सब तड़पन रुक जाएगी. बट वी शुड स्टडी. Therefore we should every day pray to the Lord, Acharya, to give me some शक्ति. जस्ट लाइक 16 माला करते हैं, वो भी आसान नहीं होता. क्योंकि भगवान का आशीर्वाद चाहिए होता, तब कर सकते हो. करेक्ट? नहीं तो 16 माला कंप्लीट नहीं होता, वो छोड़ देगा. Sometime situation may become so bad. It does become. And when the rounds are not happening, then Maya will swallow you. Because you are outside the Lakshman रेखा के बाहर आ गए अभी आप. कोई भी जो 16 माला कंप्लीट नहीं करता, वो लक्ष्मण रेखा के बाहर आ गया. Prabhupada says, if you chant 16 rounds, no power in the world can make you fall down. That's the minimum. If 16 rounds are done, there is no power in the world which can make you fall down. But if you do not do that, then Lakshman रेखा के बाहर आ गया. Then Maya आपको उठा के ले जाएगी कहीं, दनादन मारेगी. Once I remember one devotee, sannyasi had come, and वो पूछा कितना माला जप करते हो? बोला 2-3 माला जप करते हैं. तो बोला आपको माया खा जाएगी ऐसा करोगे तो. Please chant minimum 16 in any condition. Then Maya will, you are protected from the influence of Maya. But we have other things, better things to do. That is our misfortune. The same way we should pray to the Lord. Just like भगवान का 16 माला भी जप करना भगवान के आशीर्वाद के बिना असंभव है, और ढंग से करना तो और भी असंभव है. ढंग से ध्यान से 16 माला करना बहुत मुश्किल है. सेम वे भगवान का प्रभुपाद जी का किताब पढ़ना भी संभव नहीं है. उसके लिए भी आशीर्वाद चाहिए, नहीं तो नहीं पढ़ोगे. आशीर्वाद चाहिए भगवान का. आप ये मेरे को ये आशीर्वाद दीजिए, मैं पढ़ पाऊँ इसको. बिकॉज कलयुग में मन बहुत विचलित है, इसीलिए इकट्ठा पढ़ना पड़ता है. बहुत कम लोग जो अकेले पढ़ पाता है, नहीं पढ़ पाता है. अकेले पढ़ेगा चलो यार 2 वीडियो देख लेते हैं, ऐसे टाइम बर्बाद कर लेगा. करेक्ट? कोई ग्राम्य कथा सुन लेते हैं, बिकॉज उधर बहुत रुचि है. कृष्ण कथा का सुनने का रुचि ऐसा नहीं है, तो अकेले नहीं हो पाता है, इसलिए इकट्ठे कर ले. जैसे अभी भागवतम का क्लास है, क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? इकट्ठा पढ़ रहे हैं, क्या क्या शास्त्र में बोला है भाई. सो दैट इज बलि महाराज एंड फेमस पास्ट टाइम वामन देवा. And Vamadeva is now glorifying. He is glorifying Hiranyakashipu. Hiranyakashipu is saying when Hiranyaksha died, Hiranyakashipu became very angry. Generally इस दुनिया में गुस्सा होता है, 5 minutes it gets over. Correct? Any anger we have, कितना देर रहता है? 5-10 मिनट में फुस हो जाता है. Nobody maintains anger for more than that, isn't it? Somebody become very agitated, just hold on, he'll get go over. That's why they say when you get anger, just count 10. Because by that time the anger goes away. They have this famous saying, you get very angry before doing or saying anything, just count 1, 2, by the time it's over. Then you are able to think with a cool head. So, but Hiranyakashipu's anger never went away till the time of death. Because that was something arrangement. You get angry, 5 minutes the anger goes away. But the anger of Hiranyakashipu was not like that. It remained. It remained for a long time. Till the point he died. Special. This is not ordinary, the special condition. He had come to give fight to Krishna. And he was a devotee offering to Krishna an enemy role. And he was just playing his role. Otherwise, Hiranyakashipu, practically speaking, from any angle is a demon. But actually he is a great devotee, hidden great devotee. Jaya. Jaya Vijaya. So then Hiranyakashipu becomes very angry. What's happening? And where is him? You dare to kill my brother Hiranyaksha? Now I'm going to punish you. So he was looking to punish Vishnu or Krishna. And then, as a play, Vishnu, because क्या होता है? This is a very important point. The difference between a devotee and a demon, there is one very big difference. The difference is that the devotee is always the famous word is devotee is always introspective. Now it will get the word. Yeah. Correct? That is the difference between a devotee and a demon. Arjuna was so introspective. Should I do the war? Should I do the war? I should do, I should not do. He's always watching his heart. Because all the problem is in the heart. He's watching his heart. Is there any material desire in the heart? Am I doing this war for material desire? And he's feeling guilty that maybe he's doing that. Yudhishthira Maharaj also at the end of the war was very introspective. Did I do this just for my pleasure to have a big kingdom? You see, that is a mark of a gentleman. And Duryodhana was never introspective. So, looking within is very difficult. It is easy to find fault in the whole world, very difficult to find fault with ourselves. Correct? दूसरे का खोट देखने में एक आधा सेकंड नहीं लगता और अपना खोट स्वीकार करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. We get very disturbed. Somebody says you have actually become an idiot. अपने को अभी we never agree. कोई अपने खाली संत लोग एग्री करते हैं. दुनिया में कोई नहीं एग्री करता अपना फॉल्ट. ज़्यादा बोलो आपको दुश्मन बन जाएंगे, है ना. जब प्रहलाद महाराज ने हिरण्यकश्यप को बोला था, माय डियर फादर, गिव अप दिस डेमोनिक मेंटालिटी, अपना ये जो राक्षसी स्वभाव है छोड़ दो इसको. जब प्रहलाद महाराज, ही वॉज स्टैंडिंग विद अ स्वॉर्ड टू किल हिम, ही इज नॉट स्केयर्ड. He says, give up your demonic mentality. आपका एक ही दुश्मन है. वो हिरण्यकश्यप always saying, my enemy, my enemy, my enemy Vishnu. उसकी पूजा करता है तू, बेशरम. तू उसकी पूजा करता है. You shameless man, you're worshipping my enemy Vishnu. So Prahlad Maharaj says, my dear father, you have no enemy. Your only enemy is your own mind. Isn't it? Our only enemy is our own mind. We have no other enemy. Only one enemy, our mind. We only imagine enemies. There is no enemy. So Prahlad Maharaj said that there were many people. My dear father, there were many people like you in the history who conquered so many kingdoms, but they could not control the mind. Therefore, everything became useless. He had a courage to say that. So Hiranyakashipu, instead of taking the advice in a proper way, said, you think you are better than me in controlling the mind? Just imagine. He cannot see the quality in front of him. True, he's playing a role, but that's how the demonic people are. You tell people, I want to, most of the people, I want to own this car, I want to own that car, I want this bungalow, I want that bungalow. You said many people had that previously. But if you cannot control your mind the way you are now, it's not going to be waste. Do you think a person is going to take it pleasantly? He'll be very angry. You think you're better than me in controlling the mind? नो बड़ी एग्री था ना भाई. कितना लोग हम बोलते हैं नाम जप करो, हाँ पूरे दिन चल रहा है, फुल टाइम इट इज गोइंग. क्या बोल रहे हो पूरे दिन, क्या चल रहा है हमको मालूम है? क्रिकेट मैच चल रहा है, टीवी चल रहा है, मूवी चल रहा है, तुम क्या बोल रहे हो पूरे दिन चल रहा है. बट दे डोंट एग्री. So to be introspective, to accept our faults is only for somebody who is very genuine and sincere. And actually a great devotee is always meditating on his fault. So Hiranyakashipu is not looking inside, which he should do. And therefore Prahlad Maharaj says, you're not able to control the mind. Shri Radha Govinda ki. Shri Gaur Nitai ki jai, Shri Prabhupada ki jai. So Hiranyakashipu is not looking inside at all. He's just looking at the glaring metal energy outside. So in that position, it is very difficult for us to see the Lord. Therefore, the Lord, knowing that he doesn't look inside, playfully went inside in his heart and sat down. Because searching around the universe to kill Vishnu. Anyway, he's there in the heart, but in this pastime also, वहाँ जाके बैठ गए. पता वो अंदर तो देखता ही नहीं है. दानव का पहला क्वालिटी अंदर कभी नहीं देखता. और भक्त सुबह से रात अंदर देखता रहता है. Because he wants this to be a place for the Lord. Just like जो अच्छा पुजारी हमेशा क्लीन रखता है. करेक्ट? कि उसको मालूम है भगवान का मंदिर है, गंदा नहीं होना चाहिए उसको, अरे साफ होने का साफ. तो इसलिए जब भगवान को यहाँ पे वास करना है तो उसको क्लीन करते रहना पड़ता है. करेक्ट? नहीं यार थोड़ा आज गंदा लग रहा है, बैठ के थोड़ा 1 घंटा और जप करता हूँ. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. Chanting to keep it clean so the Lord can sit there. So Hiranyakashipu is not वो the राक्षस है, वो को देखेगा, वो कभी नहीं देखता अंदर, और भगवान ही वास कभी नहीं करते उसके अंदर. So therefore he said he went and sat down there. That's very, very interesting line that comes. And then the main point of today's shloka is something else. He says that what? He says Vishnu has gone to the place and nobody returns. This has 2 meanings. Even Narad Muni एक बारी छोटे बच्चों को मिलने थे. किसके? दक्षा के बेटे. What is the name? हरियाश्वास. 10,000 बच्चे. एंड वो बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं? ध्यान से तप कर रहे हैं. They were doing meditation. They were doing taking bath in the river. They're doing various spiritual practices. Narada Muni saw them, so beautiful boys. What are they doing? They should become devotees. Go back to why they want to get entangled in this family affairs and life. Narada Muni tells them only 1 shloka. उस श्लोक में 10 भाग हैं. एक चीज उसमें ये है क्या? There is a place after having gone, nobody returns. In this word, there is a Kala Chakra. In this word, there is this, there is this. He gives a big, nice description. These boys, 10,000 boys sit together, start discussing. समझने का कोशिश करते हैं नारद मुनि क्या बोले. समझ आ गया, उठे और घर नहीं गए, सब सन्यास ले लिया. मालूम है ना, बहुत फेमस स्टोरी है. और दक्षा को बहुत गुस्सा आ गया. Just like when we meet some youngster and we encourage him to renounce material life, the parents become very angry. वो दक्ष के ही स्वरूप है. और श्राप भी देता है उसके बाद नारद मुनि. नहीं, अभी एक और उसके एक और सेट होता है 1000 का, उसको भी संन्यास दिला देते हैं. तो बोलते हैं उनको, भाई जो बड़े भाई जो करते हैं छोटे भाई को वही करना चाहिए. तो फिर वो भी गए. फिर उसके बाद नारद मुनि गोज टू हिज हाउस. नारद मुनि सोचते हैं दक्ष को भी कर देते हैं भी लिबरेट. ये क्या फंसा हुआ, बच्चे के बाद बच्चे पैदा कर रहे हैं, तो कुछ काम नहीं किया. So Narad Muni goes, and Daksha is like total materialistic person. He just cannot understand. So the work of devotees is never appreciated. We are sending people to where nobody comes back. Because Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Mam upetya punarjanama dukkhalayam ashashvatam napnuvanti mahatmana samsiddhi paramam gataha. Krishna is requesting us to come back. Parastasmat bhavo anya vyakta avyakta sanatanaha. He says, please come back to the abode, supreme abode. Krishna is requesting us. We are doing Krishna's work. कृष्ण का काम कर रहे लोग बोल रहे जाओ जाओ वैकुंठ जाओ, इस दुनिया में नहीं फंसो. बट पीपल डू नॉट अप्रिशिएट दिस वर्क. हमको ही बोलते हैं वी आर एस्केपिस्ट, है ना. हम लोग अपना सब वी आर एस्केपिंग और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. द पीपल डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड एक्चुअली व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू. इट इज डिफिकल्ट. So Narad Muni is also doing the same work. And here Hiranyakashipu is saying, maybe Vishnu has gone to the place where nobody returns. Uska to actually his conclusion was what? Maybe he has died. That's what he wants to say. कहीं दिख ही नहीं रहा, लगता मर गया, डर के मारे मर गया. But he has not died. Lord is in the spiritual world always. So in his mouth it comes, gone to the place where nobody returns. That is actually Yad Gatva na nivartante. That is Vaikuntha. Vaikuntha. The Lord is always in Vaikuntha Dhama and is playfully hiding in the heart of Hiranyakashipu, who never introspects in his life. Okay? So we should always keep introspecting. Anything we do, 10 times we should think whether we should do this or not. We should speak anything. Actually, doing and speaking, we should first take permission of Krishna. Krishna, can I do this? Krishna, can I do that? Then we should do. Okay? And everything should be done carefully. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki.